A lot of people want to start dropshipping, but don't know where to begin. They either overthink it or jump straight into the wrong product with the wrong setup. So in this video, I'm going to simplify everything. We'll start with product research using tools that actually make sense, build a clean looking store around that product, find a reliable supplier with fast shipping, and then go over how to actually launch everything. And if you follow these steps, you'll avoid most beginner mistakes that slow people down, because we've all been there. So my name's Alex if you're new, and when you're ready, let's get right into it. So let's start by talking about dropshipping in 2026. What's changed and what matters the most right now? Now, I just want to make it clear that dropshipping is a fulfillment model. This is simply how you fulfill all of your orders. It is not a business model. You're starting an e-commerce business, but you're using dropshipping as your method of fulfillment. So you need to treat this like a real business because it is. A lot of people think they can start a Shopify store, slap up any product, start running ads, and make millions of dollars in sales. It's not that easy. But as you guys already know, with dropshipping, you don't have any inventory up front. You don't have to hold any of your own inventory. Your suppliers will manage all of that for you. And you're paid retail price, whatever prices you set for your own product, and then you pay wholesale prices to your suppliers. You keep all of the profit in the middle. And then of course, your supplier is going to ship all of your orders as they come in for you. So they'll place an order on your online store. Let's say they place a $39 order. You're gonna go ahead and pay your supplier, let's say $18 for the cost of your product. Then they'll go ahead and ship it to your customer for you, and you keep that $21 in profit before any advertising or any other costs. And with 2026, AI is making product research so much easier. They're taking a lot of the hard work out of dropshipping entirely. Then of course, you can automate your stores entirely with AI. Right now, US fulfillment matters more than anything. You want to be able to ship all of your orders out very quickly and make sure they're delivered in just 3 to 7 days. And then of course, we have short form video marketing or UGC style videos. That's the best way to promote your products in 2026. And it doesn't matter if you're using real creators or if you're making those AI videos, but this is the best route to go. Now that we have a direction, we'll use Doba to find actual products. So I'll log into my Doba account and I'll go over here where it says more. I'm gonna go ahead and select their Shopify selections. This is where I like to start because it's curated directly to Shopify. So that means less guessing. All of these products you see right here are proven to perform well right on Shopify. And you guys can go back up to the top if you want to take a look at Temu products, TikTok Shop products, or even Amazon products. Those are just the platform specific lists. They also have ones like their top ranking, high profit products, new arrivals, and so on. But I just want to find products that are performing well on Shopify right now, because we did see that the health and beauty niche was one of the best ones to be in right now. So I want to go ahead and try to find products that match that niche. Now, Doba automatically connects you with pre-vetted suppliers that offer millions of products right at your fingertips. And most of these products right here are stored in US-based warehouses, so they can get you the fastest shipping of any other suppliers out there. In fact, most orders are delivered in just 3 to 7 days. So because of that, you're not limited to just Shopify. If you want to expand to TikTok Shop or Etsy or Amazon or anything else later on, you definitely can. And these lists are perfect because it gives you a short list of viable products that you can sell in your own store. And this really cuts down on the time that product research takes, and also cuts out the endless scrolling involved, because you can plug any of these products into your own store right now and they should perform well. So I know these smart rings are a very popular product right now, and you can source this one on Doba for just $30. You can actually sell it for upwards of $70 like they recommend right here. Let's take a look at their shipping down here. So this product actually is stored in the US and ships from the US. So you can get free shipping to the United States with 3 to 7 day delivery. This is perfect. It's gonna allow you to build a brand that stands out from everybody else that's selling on AliExpress. So while your competitors' packages take over 30 days to arrive, you can now get these products delivered in just 3 to 7. That's crucial in 2026. So the margins on this product are already pretty good. You're making around $40 per sale every time you sell one of these rings. And you can always upsell people to buy 2 or 3 at a time. Some people buy them for their spouses, kids, or just gift them to other people. So if you have a really good bundle offer in place, you can make a ton of money on this ring right here. They have 2 different size variants, and they have a ton of high quality content that you can just rip and throw right on your own product pages. You can clean any of these up you want to and use them on your own store. And if you want to speed things up a little bit with your product research, you can actually take the guesswork out entirely and let AI find your next product. Let's go ahead and select their AI picker right up here at the top. This is one of their newest tools. And you can go ahead and sort products by different niches, best selling, high profit, or just type in something entirely random right here. So let's go ahead and find some of the top skincare products. And just like that, Doba is going to give you some of the top performing skincare products that you can add to your own store in just one click. You've got things like bath bombs, lipstick, serums, different lotions. You even have accessories like chairs. So if you're starting a health and beauty store, you can upload any of these products you want to. Or you could literally select them all right here, all 80 products, and add them to your store right there. This is one of the fastest and best ways to populate a niche store. But their AI picker is designed to recommend products by different niches, and you'll use this shortlist right here to apply your winning products criteria in order to find the best performing products to add to your own store. So if it doesn't match your winning product criteria, go ahead and ignore it for now. But any products that do, like this eye massager for example, go ahead and upload them to your own store. So now I'm gonna show you what winning product criteria looks like so you can actually judge these products like a pro. Number one, you wanna find products that solve a clear problem or provide some kind of noticeable benefit for your customers. And you wanna make sure it's instantly understood in your marketing. If you can't demonstrate it in short form videos, don't sell that product. Number two, you wanna make sure it's attention grabbing or eye catching, and it works in video ads, especially UGC style, like I was just talking about. You really need to make sure you can create scroll stopping content around any of these products. And of course, the pricing and the margins matter more than any of these. Your ideal pricing range is $30 to $100 products, and you wanna make sure you're making at least 20% profit from each and every sale. Now, typically I look for much higher margins myself. I'm not selling any product below 50 to 70% profit margin. But 20% is a good starting point, especially when you're first getting started, because that $30 to $100 pricing point is perfect for impulse purchases. So if you can demonstrate your product nicely with image or video ads, you can really drive those impulse purchases. People are gonna see your ad, go right to your product page and make that order. And of course, you don't wanna sell any complex products. You wanna make sure there's no breakable parts. You don't want these products to arrive damaged whatsoever. And you guys should always be focused on evergreen products. These are products that sell all year round with no seasonal influence. So unlike trending products or seasonal products that sell around, let's say Valentine's Day or something, these are products you can sell the entire year with no disruptions. And of course, no product is perfect. They don't have to check all of these boxes, but the more they do, the better it's gonna perform. So let's go ahead and take a look at a few of the products on this list to see if they match any of our criteria. We'll start with this eye massager right here that already grabbed my attention. So obviously already it's attention grabbing. We can create scroll stopping content around this. I mean, look at this product right here. It definitely stands out. You're wondering what she's putting over her eyes. It's definitely evergreen. You're not gonna buy an eye massager more in the summer than in the winter or around any other holidays. This is something people would use all year round as long as they have eye pain or any other issues. And of course, it solves a clear problem. Obviously eye pain. And we can sell this product for upwards of $100. I know they recommend $60. We can probably sell this for like $120 with the right branding in place. And you're getting it for just $31 on Doba. So that's already over the 20% profit margin like we already talked about. So this matches most, if not all of our winning product criteria. This is a really good product to sell. So you guys can go ahead and list it to your store in just one click right here if you want to. And that applies to any of these products on here. This one ships from China, so it does have a little bit longer shipping. We have 8 to 12 day delivery on this. But honestly, 8 to 12 days isn't too bad. And most of these products do arrive much earlier than that. So let's go ahead and take a look at a couple other products that catch our attention. Like, I'm not gonna try to sell any of these serums or any of these creams because good luck advertising them. You're competing with some of the biggest brands out there like Ulta. But when you're selling those attention grabbing products like those eye massagers, that's the perfect drop shipping product to sell. All right, so let's take a look at this jawline training tool. It's another popular product I've seen in the past. This one they recommend selling for around $20. You can source it for $9. They have 5 different color variants. This one ships from China, so same 8 to 12 day delivery. This one solves a problem and provides a clear benefit. It's for guys that want to go ahead and shape their jawline. This is definitely attention grabbing. You can create scroll stopping content around these with the right marketing, and it's absolutely evergreen. You can sell this product all year round. Nobody's gonna buy it more in the summer than they would in the winter. So here's another perfect product that you could upload to your store and start selling today. So we're not getting attached to the first product. We're just choosing one that we can go ahead and test. I did like this first one that we took a look at a little bit more. So let's go ahead and build a store around this product right here, this eye massager. So now that we have our product selected, we're ready to go ahead and build our actual store. So if you want to speed things up, you can actually have Doba build the entire store for you. Doba has an AI agent called Doba Pilot, and I can say build a Shopify store in the health and beauty niche. And it's gonna go ahead and do exactly that. So you guys can go ahead and do this if you want to have AI build the entire thing for you. We'll go ahead and confirm our niche right here, health and beauty. Let's go ahead and select blue as our theme color. We'll select our store banner right here. We can always change this later. And then it's just gonna have you go ahead and pair up your Shopify store. Super simple. So I'll paste my new store link right there, and we'll go ahead and build our store with AI. And it says the entire thing is done now. That literally took 16 seconds to build our entire store for us. So I'll log back into Shopify. We'll go ahead and take a look at it right here. Select online store. Then right here under themes, you should see that new store that Doba Pilot just built. Let's go ahead and preview it. Okay, so there's our homepage banner. We can go ahead and put a featured collection right here as our core values. So it gives us a really good starting point. You guys can customize any of this that you want to later on, but this pretty much gives you everything you need to get started. You can go ahead and upload products to your new store, and your customers will see them displayed right here under catalog. You can always change that to shop now or anything else you want to later on. And this really saves you on setup time, so you can focus on testing products and marketing your new store. A lot of times I'll have AI build my stores if I want to go ahead and test products fast. So now we can go ahead and take this product from Doba and upload it right to our store. First, you're gonna wanna go ahead and change the product title. We can actually have AI write the entire thing for us. So here's our 3 AI options right here. I like this one, the rejuvenating eye massager device with hot compress and vibration for fatigue relief. Tells what it is and the problem it actually solves right here in the title. That's perfect. We'll select it. You guys can add any product tags that you want to from your Shopify store. Same with your category and your collection. Category will do health and beauty. Then you guys can go ahead and select all of your variants right here. There's only one variant for this product. You can select how much you actually want to sell it for. So I'll say $99.99. You can put a compare at price to make it look like it's actually on sale. So I'll make it look like it's 50% off. You can select all of your images right here. You're gonna want a high quality hero shot image for your cover photo. And you can always change that on Shopify later on. We can actually have AI clean up all of these photos for us if we wanted to. And then right here for description, this is another very important part. It's gonna have the automatic Doba description right here. These are kind of like your AliExpress descriptions in a way, but of course they have an AI optimizer tool right here that can actually write the entire description for you. So we'll select that and our product's ready to list to our store. Let's go ahead and upload it. So just like that, the product is on our store, live and ready to go. We can go back to Shopify, select products right here, and there it is. We can go ahead and preview it on our Shopify store right here and see what it looks like. So this is a really good starting point. We can always clean up the images, the description, everything else later on. And you're gonna wanna add things to your product page like reviews, bundles, FAQs, and everything else later on. But for now, this is pretty much everything we need to just get started. And your product description or your product page should flow very well. All of your descriptions should have the same 5 parts to them. Number 1, you want to tell what it is, what exactly you're selling, and what's in it for your customer. Then you want to talk about why it actually matters to them. You're going to follow it up with social proof or other elements to actually build trust on your product page. This can be trust badges, testimonials, or anything else. Then you're going to include an FAQ section to answer any frequently asked questions. This will clear up any confusion around the products you sell. Then at the bottom of your page, you should always have a guarantee section. This has the guarantees of your store and shows your customers why they should actually buy from you. If you communicate these 5 things clearly, you'll have a product page that's ready to scale and you can start making sales from day 1.